Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hopefully you all guys are doing well. So today we are going to solve few more questions from Pearson Edexcel IGCSE Computer Science paper 2. So already we have covered up to question number, okay, let me see, up to question number 4b. So today we are going to solve question number 5. Let's see where is the question. So I'm going to skip this part. These are the easier part of the questions. Um, so this one. So I'm going to solve this problem today. So let's begin with this problem. First of all, let's open your data folder and open this folder into your code editor. So I opened it in you know Visual Studio Code. So here is question number 5. So let's read the question. First of all, let me keep it in this side and open the question in this side. Okay, so here in the question, okay, let me do another thing, wrap it up. Okay, done. So here in the question it says that the scientist is collecting and storing data about the tuna. The data collected is species, length in centimeter, weight in kilogram, age in years. That's mean species, length in centimeter, weight, and age in years. Okay, the data is stored in an array. This is basically the 2D array. Okay, so the collected data needs to be written in this folder, sorry, in this file, text file. So each record, let me see, this file is given or not. No, this file is not given, so you need to create this file. Simply when you are going to write this file, automatically it will be created, so don't worry about that. Each record is stored in the file must have a code number in the first field, and the code number starts with 101, and each field record should be separated by comma like this. You need to store it in the file, in the text file. So let's begin then. So first of all, there is a code number given, so let's take the code number. Let's take a variable called code equal to 101, and it will be incremented by 1 like this, 101 up to 108. Okay, so now you have to open this file for writing. So let's say file is equal to, let's say f is equal to, so f is equal to open, f is equal to open, then in double quotation you need to give the file name. So I'm going to copy it from here, copy, paste, and then comma. For writing, I'm opening this file. So I have opened the file now. Now since the array is given here, so I can use for loop instead of using while loop, because I can take a simple variable using the for loop and ask it to take the data from here. So for, let's say, so each and every data, let's call it data, for data in TBL tuna. So I'm going to copy the name from here. So for data in TBL tuna, if this data is present in here, till then it will be uh, you know iterating the data. So now let's take a variable called record. Let's say record. Record is equal to, in the question it says that it should be printed in this format. So we know that in Python, in array the index number starts from 0, then 1, 2, and 3. So the first one, let's work with the first one, then automatically using the loop it will automatically go to the second one, third, and fourth one. So let's simply take the first one. So this is index 0. So So since that's the index 0, so data index 0. So if you do that, that's mean you are taking this value. After that there should be a comma, and we are using concatenation mode, so give a comma, then concatenation. So in for concatenating, you need to make each and every data into a string format or a string data type. So I'm just using str for making the first data a string, then second data is string, it automatically in double quotation, so you don't need to put str. So then the second one is, that's 1, so just copy it and paste it here and change it to 1, then plus double quotation and now the comma, then plus and paste it, change it into 2, then plus quotation comma plus paste it and change it into 0 1 2 and 3. Okay, so that's it. So we have taken this 4 data 0 1 2 and 3. Then it says that it should be starting from the next line. So for starting from the next line, you can use like new line command like this. So it will be starting from the new line. Now at the beginning, here is 101. So at the beginning, let's take the str format of the code that we have taken at the beginning here. So 101, the first data, second data, third data and fourth data, then new line, then again go back to over here, then okay, so again when it goes back over here, I need to increment or I need to increase the code number. Okay, let's see what happened first. So here it is. So since there is nothing right now, if I open it and run it, the file needs to be created. Yes, the file has been created. Okay, so open this one. Nothing is printed it out. Oh, okay. So file has been created, but I did not write it in the file. So what I need to do over here, I need to write it. So f dot write what I need to write, the record. I need to write that the record. Now if I run it, okay, let it finish. Okay, it's done. Now open it. It's now okay. So I didn't increase the code, that's why all of them are 101. So I just need to increase it. So for doing that, what can I do, like code is equal to code plus 1, and here after that I missed one thing, like here I missed the you know comma here, give a plus sign. Now it's okay, let's run it. Let it run. Okay, yeah, it's done. So your work is done. Let's close it up, open it and finish it up. So finally you just need to close the file, f dot close, that's it, run it. Okay, done. So your work is done. So that's it. It was the simplest one, I think. So if you have any query, let me just know. Thank you.